Your AI agent is failing right now, and you probably can't see it. Snowflake researchers Anupam Datta and Josh Rainey just introduced the Agent GPA framework, goal, plan, action, built into the open-source TrueLens library, and the benchmark numbers are striking. Standard LLM evaluators catch about 55% of agent errors. The GPA framework catches 95%. It also pinpoints where in the reasoning chain the failure happened. 86% accuracy versus 49% with baseline methods. When humans used GPA to review the trail and Gaia datasets, they caught 100% of internal agent errors. Here's why this matters. Most teams are evaluating agents at the output level. Did the agent get the right answer? GPA breaks that down. Did the agent pursue the right goal, plan correctly, and take the right actions in sequence? That decomposition catches errors that cancel out before the final response. Errors that look fine on the surface but are built on broken reasoning. For builders, evaluation infrastructure is a product requirement, not an afterthought. For investors, the observability layer of the AI stack is underfunded relative to the hype around agents themselves. Ship agents. But benchmark the reasoning, not just the result. Link in the description.